This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering sync. Turn the ignition to accessory or run so the unit boots. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets sync find it. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth name is recognizable because you'll select it on the car screen. If sync prompts for a PIN, use the default shown or try 0000 or 1234. Write the code down if you need to compare. Begin pairing immediately when the car searches. You'll see your phone appear in Sync Device List. Select it and confirm the PIN matches on both screens. After pairing, your phone will ask for permissions. Grant contacts and call access so Sync can display names and handle calls. Make sure to allow message access if you want text alerts. While Sync imports contacts, avoid interrupting Bluetooth. The import can take 30 to 90 seconds depending on your phone book size. When done, Sync should show your phone as connected. Finish by testing. Place a call and play audio to confirm microphone and media routing. If audio goes through but calls fail, make sure your phone's mobile network is active and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Also disconnect any other active paired devices that might steal the connection. If Sync won't pair after several tries, reset the Sync network or delete the device entry on both phone and Sync, then pair again. One key tip: reboot your phone before attempting repeated pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.